Hey everyone, my name's Jonathan from Academy of Mind, and today we're going to explain how to create assignments in the AOM platform. Assignments are graded activities in a course that learners have to answer by writing in a text area or by uploading a file like a Word document or a PowerPoint. Assignments challenge students' understanding of course material, and by using assignments in a course, administrators and instructors can better understand which students might need to retake an assignment or have help moving forward in a course. On top of that, by reviewing the average assignment scores in a classroom, companies can better understand if they need to update a course to prepare students for an assignment. But without further ado, let's create our first assignment with Academy of Mind right now. All right, so first things first, when you log into the admin dashboard, there's a couple places you can create an assignment. If you look right here under this create new box, there you can create the assignment right over here. And then if you also go over here in the top right corner, the quick add menu allows you to create an assignment here. And then the last option, you can go under courses on the left sidebar navigation, and then you go under modules and you can create an assignment here. So we're just going to click this one, but like I said, all of the options work. And then once you're inside here, just click create assignment module. All right, so once you're in here, this is where the magic of creating your assignment happens. You can name your assignment here, and then the description is really the most important part. So this is where you can ask one question or of course a couple questions and really start a discussion thread amongst your classroom. And of course you have a bunch of different options inside of this text editor. Like you could use bullets, you could underline your text, bold, italicize, you can even use HTML, and there's a bunch of different options for even coloring your text, adjusting the font size, and so forth, really to customize the description to make sure it looks nice. So we went ahead and entered our questions in the description, but let's actually change these to use bullets, and then let's use some bolding in this section. And how about we actually enter this little title here and adjust the font size. So you can see that there's a lot of customizations you can do in the description. Usually the more simple the description, the better. But if you want to jazz it up, you have those options here. Next, you want to enter the total points an assignment is worth. So since assignments are graded, essentially the total points define the maximum amount of points a student can receive on an assignment if they get a perfect score. And you just want to enter your numerical value here, and then you're almost done. Last but not least, you want to choose how students will submit the assignment. So by default, students will just use a text area, kind of similar to this description, except it's a blank text box where students just type in their responses. Or you can choose for students to upload files such as Word documents, Excel, PowerPoint, images, PDF, and more. But in this example, we're just going to stick with the text area for the submission option. All right, next, let's take this recently created assignment and go over here to courses, all courses, and click edit. If you scroll your mouse over any of these courses, pick the course of your choice, pick your poison, and then go over here to step 2 curriculum. Now we're going to go all the way to the bottom of this and click add module. And I've covered this on many videos on YouTube, but I just like to make sure that you understand how easy it is to add new modules inside your course. So all you have to do is type in the title of your assignment, and there we go. It was called Test Your Understanding with an Assignment. And I just want to drag this all the way at the top so I can test the functionality of it very quickly since it's the first module in a course. And boom, it's all the way at the top. Let's make sure we click update course, and we are about to test this one out live. Okay, so back in the admin dashboard, we're going to log in as a user that is enrolled in the course we just added the assignment to. So once you click that, click login as this user. As you most likely know, launch the course. Let's test this thing out. There we go. There's our assignment. Let's click launch, and as you can see the formatting. Looks pretty nice. So just because this is a test, we're going to answer question number 1 because I was required to for keeping my job, period. Submit assignment. There we go. Exciting stuff. I'm a student in a course, getting my e-learning on, and we're about to move forward in the course. Look at that. Submitted. Now we're going to back out of the course, switch back to the admin dashboard, and you can see over here that there's a pending submission, and that's because the user we were just logged in as submitted an assignment. Now, don't get confused. We're going back and forth between users and administrators just to show you exactly how it works creating an assignment and then how it looks with a student logging into a course and actually taking an assignment. And now, since we're back in the admin dashboard, we're going to evaluate it by clicking pending submission. And then as you can see in here, you can accept or reject a assignment. You can respond to the student's assignment, and then of course, give them whatever points they deserve for the assignment. The last thing I want to leave you guys with today is if you ever do want to edit these assignments, all you have to do is go back on the sidebar, click courses, and then go under assignments. Click that, and then you can edit any of these assignments. So let's actually change these assignments, this particular assignment, so that students have to submit files versus writing their submission in a text area. And then we're going to choose the attachments here. Update module. Now, if you do edit your assignments and they're already attached in courses, you will most likely have to re-add those modules into a course and just delete the old one, which really takes 15 seconds maximum. But if you're having trouble with that, just go back a couple minutes in this video or look at the self-paced courses video I'm going to put on the screen right now to really become a master at creating self-paced courses. All right, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and we all do from Academy of Mind, and we'll see you next week. And make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks.